Guess what am I going to be showing you?
What is it?
A cardboard jet.
Okay. How did you make that?
As the first part, I knew how to build it, but then I didn't know what to put on the bottom, and then Mommy figured out and said first I thought it was the smaller piece, and said it was the bigger piece, which is this piece.
Okay.
And then after I put it the wings, which don't look right, and then I painted the bottom too, and then I painted the rest of blue and white and black.
That's actually green
No,
and blue.
no, and black on the bottom.
Okay. Okay.
This
How many
back
hours
here.
you made that?
And you used it 40 hours to build it.
40 hours or 40 minutes?
No, 41 as I put it the wings.
Okay.
And then after that, I painted it behind the floating TV over there. Show them.
Okay. It's okay. It's not a floating TV.
Yes,
It's a TV on the wall. Okay.
Oh, it's a floating TV.
Okay. Now what will you tell? What will you tell to your viewers? What do you want to tell them?
So bye-bye. Hey, I forgot something. Can you please hit that subscribe button? Now bye-bye.